Oh! Oh! That's a dunk! Jaden FDA back here again with the pull-ups.
Go, go, go. Get away, get away. Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden back at again with another video. So starting this vlog off, we're at the coast right now. There's definitely ain't grey stains. Bro, we're at the home of LaMelo Ball right now. I'm trying to pull up. Shout out Illawarra Hawks. Yo, look how steep this hill is, bro. We be walking though. So we're just walking back to the crib right now. We just finished playing basketball, but this is good vibes right here. We're walking right next to the beach, and they be all the way back there, bro. I don't know why.
Nah, it's gonna be a jump shot or dunk. It can't be a layup.
Jaden FDA back here again with the pull-ups.
98.
That's 75. Damn, you hit a PB. That's 75 right there.
We out here, boys. Lunch with a view. Tell them, Daryl.
That's what?
Lunch with a view.
Lunch with a view. Up your feet.
Oh, thanks, bro.
Ew.
There you go, bro. Thank you. Finally back in the crib. Alright, boys. This is my bed right here. Got a bed to myself. This is Nick, Mitch's, and Daryl's bed. Come here.
I thought we were in the drink one. No, I drank one before.
Yo, Nick, what's up?
What's up, bro?
We got table tennis right here. You come down. You got the vibe right here. This be the lake, but I'm not sure if there's crocodiles, bro, so we ain't trying to take no chances today. Everyone's dead from basketball this morning, but shout out to the boys, man. They got this for my birthday. Shout out Ariana Grande. That's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
So we all walking to the beach right now. Kinda cold, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, but you know we do be dripping out here, bro. We got the Ariana Grande shirt on, the clout goggles. Got Mitch with the boogie board. Almost at the beach, boys. Alright, let's go, boys. Everyone's got their own boogie board. The wave's looking pretty gnarly, dude. Alright, dudes. We're at the beach right now. I ain't trying to drown, bro. I don't know about you guys. Yo, that's a vibe over there. It ain't even like that hot today, though.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be hella cold.
It's gonna be hella cold.
I don't know if I can last out in this treacherous weather, bro. Let's just post up here real quick. It's gonna be freezing, bro.
what?
Bruh, it's way too cold. Boys, it is actually so cold right now. These waves might actually take me out, bro. Yo! Hell no, hell no. I ain't trying to ruin this camera, bro. Alright, boys, I'm just chilling on the sand right now. It's actually so cold. But there's the boys out there, bro. They be getting clapped by these waves. These ain't no Bondi Beach waves right here. So we made it to the end of the beach right now. And we're just walking on some rocks. Because apparently there's some rock pools over there. So we finna be swimming in them. Boys, look at the vibe right here. Mountains. We got this random pool in the middle of the rocks. I'm just chilling, bro. Bro, how cold is it? It's nice. I finna go swimming real quick. Alright, boys, I'm jumping in. Has to be drunk.
Yay! Look what you got there.
So cold. Alright, boys, it's time to dip. Bro, look at the whips right here. I think the crib's somewhere over there, boys, so it's gonna be a bit of a long walk along the beach. But it's cool, bro. It's vibes out here. Bro, I be trying to live here, bro. This is the vibe I live every day. Got my slides on 24/7. Just chilling out here. The boys are pretty far back, actually. They ain't got this stamina like me. Finally back from the beach. Bro, it feels good to be back. Alright, boys, I finna go shower up and I'll speak to you guys later.
2 hours later.
Leaving the crib right now because we finna go to dinner. Alright, let's jump in the SV6. Shout out George Harb.
I think big time right.
Vibing to Big Time Rush, that's crazy. We made it to the pizza joint right here. The Zoobs.
I have a reservation for 4 for Daryl.
Thank you. Yo, what is it, Daryl?
This is chicken deluxe, barbecue meat lovers, pepperoni. Yeah,
Pepperoni.
One more chicken deluxe.
Ooh. Alright, let's eat, boys.
From the coast.
We're pretty hungry right now. Not from the area. The cheese test. This ain't no Domino's, bro. Look at all that cheese. Bro, we all so full and tired from the beach. Let's go, Daryl.
You mind opening the door for me, please?
Yeah, no worries, bro.
Oh, thank you, Mitch.
Now we finna go home. Sorry I didn't record too much today, boys, but right now we finna just chill, get some rest. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Alright, boys, so it's the next day right now, and I'm just chilling by the river. You know, it's kind of a vibe right now, it's so peaceful. But today's the last day, so everyone's packing up the house right now. So nothing too crazy planned today. I think we're just gonna explore the coast and then just head back to the area. Damn, man, we had fun, but time flies too quickly. Now it's already Sunday. Look at the view right now, that's crazy. You got the water right there, got some mountains, got the crib. Everyone's packing up right now, making sure the kitchen's clean and stuff. But good times, man, good times. We out here, LaMelo Ball. Let's go get some breakfast. Back in the SV6 once again.
Go to the cafe first.
Daryl, you're up, bro. Hey, turn that off, dude. I don't want to get demonetized. Here he comes, here he comes. Let's go, Daryl.
Go, bro. Speedy Gonzalez. Oh, he's gonna lose a ball for his friends. Oh no.
Let's go, Daryl.
I could've jumped. I could've fucking jumped.
Go, go, go. Get away, get away. We're back in the town right now. Now we're just trying to find something to eat real quick. Chucking on the cloud goggles, boys. Sign in, Daryl.
I got you.
Let's eat. Yo, man, Daryl got his food. Yo. Thank you. That's tough, ain't it? Yeah, this is so crazy, bro. Oh, I said bro. We got ice cream, pancakes, and bacon right here. Yeah, y'all ain't have no idea. Daryl's calling his parents to let him know how good it is.
For real.
Let's see Daryl eat this.
So that's what you do. You put some bacon.
Get some bacon, yeah.
Got some bacon, sir? Got some pancakes, alright?
Some pancakes.
It's already dipped in maple syrup.
Already dipped.
Not enough pancakes in there, but
You can't forget the ice cream though.
forget the ice cream. See, get the ice cream.
We are here eating like Americans. Alright, we're on the way home right now. I can't, bro. They're in the front yard.
They're waiting
I
outside.
can't, bro.
Fuck, they're waiting outside. Oh no, no, he took a jump shot! And he missed it! No! 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 Oh! That's a dunk! Looks like you got high though on that dunk.
Back to the crib, boys. For the last time. Till next time. Quick stop on the way home. This be like a burger joint, bro. Apparently it's called Sneaky Burger. And we finna try it right now.
Double patty and these two are the classics. Yeah.
Yo. Thanks. Alright, let's eat, boys. This looks crazy.
American as hell. You had for the classic?
Yeah, I got the classic too, Daryl. if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time, guys, peace.
Oh, you don't see